Prime Minister O'Neill was joined by Health Minister Michael Malabag and Secretary Pasco Case to discuss the stopover visit to Cuba. Mr. O'Neill was happy to announce today that the deal with Cuba is expected to lift the health sector's burden significantly on shortage of doctors in rural health centers.
Going to get Cuban doctors now who will be placed directly in the districts. They will be funded jointly through the DSIP, PSIP, and some government funding.
PM O'Neill spoke confidently of the agreement made with Cuba's health officials, saying though it is temporary, it is expected to impact the PNG health sector positively in preparing interns to take over from the Cuban doctors when the deal comes to a close. More positive news from PM O'Neill announcing that a diabetes cure will be made available through this agreement. The diabetes cure was formulated by Cuban doctors, and following the discussions, PNG's health sector will now take a big step further to combat the disease without having to resort to amputation as the only option.
Apart from lifestyle changes, we must make sure that we treat the people who are now suffering immediately so that we don't have to amputate them. When we do not amputate them, they don't become disabled. They become cured, and then they can be productive working members of our society.
Lorraine Gabina, National MTV News.